It's 2 something in the morning. What are you doing? You're crowing and making the big rooster crow. What are you doing? Why? Why do you insist on coming out here and nesting and roosting right above the rabbits? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? It's just after 2 a.m. and you start flapping and crowing. Now he's crowing. The neighbors are gonna hate me. You hear him? He's crowing because of you. You. Because you started crowing. What's wrong with you? Alright. Oh, no. No. You're going back. Yeah, I'm getting you. Yeah, nope. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, man. You need to shut up. What is wrong with you, dude? Why? Why won't you go in the coop with everybody else? Oh my gosh. Effing chickens. Alright. There you go. Get in there. Tell Big Boy to shut up. Effing chickens.